What are the doshas? It was about time I talk about it. So there are three doshas, main doshas. So Kapha, Pitta and Vata. We have the three of them in us. But we don't have them in the same proportion. So for example, since I was born, my body constitution, my prakriti is Vata Pitta and a little Kapha. So Vata is more air. It's everything emotional, mental, brain activity, creativity, enthusiasm, fluidity, fast. Pitta is more transformation, brave, vitality, intelligence, things like that. And Kapha is more earth, slow, dense. It's all about love, compassion, affection, devotion. So these are the characteristics of the doshas, and we have the three of them in us. Each of them have a special thing to do in our body at different time. The thing is, so I am a Vata Pitta and a little Kapha, and depending on my age, one will be more. So for example, when we are kids, Kapha is higher because it's all about earth and it's building us, our bones, all our body. And then we have the Pitta time, which is like adulthood until late. So it's all about being brave, doing things. And then we have Vata time. And Vata is when we are getting old, like after 55, 60. And it's all about like going from a physical body to a soul, things like that. So this prakriti, so my body constitution as a Vata Pitta, will change depending on my age, but it will also change depending on the seasons. So spring is Kapha time. So it means that my Kapha will increase. I don't have a lot of Kapha, so it depends. I need to be careful on what I eat to not put it imbalanced. And then it's in summer I have more Pitta. It's a Pitta time. So I already have Pitta in me. So it means that in summer I will be more Pitta. And I need to be careful on what I eat, what type of spices, and my environment to not have too much fire in me. And then in autumn, it's Vata. And you need to know that Vata people in general are more sick. They have more diseases. They are more prone to diseases than other constitutions. Doshas. So autumn is generally the season when we get sick the most, and we need to be careful. So I need to be careful at this time in autumn because it's my main body constitution, my main dosha, and I need to be careful to not increase it too much. So I need to eat more dense, earthy food like Kapha food to counterbalance the Vata. And then, so we have the age, but we also have the time of the day. So the time of the day is, so from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. we have Kapha time. So I don't have a lot of Kapha. So in the morning I am usually more energetic. I don't feel heavy and everything. But some people who are already Kapha, they might feel very dense and they are too much heavy to wake up in the morning. So it depends on your constitution. But for example, and then you have Pitta. Pitta, so it's lunchtime from 10 to 2 p.m. So it's time to have our heavy meal because Pitta is transformation, fire. So it's the time where we digest the more. And then, for example, for me, I used to feel fatigue at the Vata time. Vata time is from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I start to feel low because I already have a lot of Vata, and it's also the Vata time. So it is increasing and my mental is going crazy, have a lot of thoughts. So it means that I need to eat something that will decrease my Vata time at this time. So all of this to say that depending on your Prakriti, your body constitution, and depending on your imbalances at what time of the day, it's possible to know what kind of habits, what kind of food, what kind of thoughts you need to be able to live a healthier life, because health in Ayurveda means being balanced in your doshas depending on your body constitution. For example, I am Vata Pitta, but someone can be Kapha Pitta. So they will not have the same kind of imbalances as me and the same symptoms. What else I want to add? Yes, I think that's all. And the imbalances that also we can have in our body, they come from our emotional state of mind, like the stress of life. We also have the food that we eat. If we are Kapha and we eat very earthy food like potatoes, we might increase the Kapha, so we might also gain weight. And also it's the climate, temperature outside, and also the habits, the behavior, and the thoughts. So everything is influencing your doshas every day at every time of the day, every seasons, every age. So be mindful and learn about what is your dosha.